FreeReels Referral Code Setup, how to invite friends to FreeReels. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can invite friends to FreeReels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find and share your referral code in the FreeReels app, you want to launch the FreeReels app and first make sure that you're signed into your account. Now you can definitely invite someone on FreeReels to get some rewards for both of you if FreeReels has offered that feature at the time of your trying to do so. Now at the time of this video, if I open up the FreeReels app and if I go to the rewards tab, you'll be able to see various ways to claim a reward. Now for example, in this case I've received an ad, so I'll just wait until I close this ad. Now in your case, you might find the option to invite friends for some type of coins or anything like that, so in that case you can go ahead and then do that. But in my case, you can see if I open it up, you can see various reward system like watching an ad or adding a widget for some type of coins, but there isn't a referral program right now. Only when they have allowed the referral program, you will then be able to invite your friends for some referral bonuses, but at the time of this video they do not have that particular referral system. But during the time you're watching this video, that moment could change, so you just have to keep watch with the rewards tab and try to invite your friends from that menu. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.